Alright, I guess this would be progress update video number 4, if I've started numbering them now. We've got the synchrotech transmission, third and fourth gear set, and carbon-coated syncros installed. And the transmission is basically ready to button back up. I would have it done by now, but that got chewed up pretty good, so I ordered a new one. That should be here before too long. But it's looking nice and clean, and I've got my brake calipers reassembled with new pistons and seals and a lick of paint. You can see all the old syncros, pretty well worn. And then the engagement teeth on some of the gears, not exactly pretty either. Transmission had 258,000 miles on it. Never been opened as far as I could tell, or if it had been, it was a while ago. And now we've got nice shiny new teeth and nice syncros. So it should be a lot better than it was, that's for sure. It had a pretty nasty third and fourth gear grind above 4,000 RPM, which when you redline at 8 grand, that's no fun. And what else we got? The motor pan is off. I'm gradually doing gaskets and seals, new water pump, timing belt, reinstalling the oil pump, front and rear main seals, all that fun stuff. And this hasn't changed any. I've got all the suspension in except for the knuckles, or uprights, whatever you want to call them. Subframe is in. Wiring is mostly done. I did a minor tucked the fuse box wires a little bit, rerouted the wiring harness that run on this side, outside of the fenders, well, inside the fender, outside the engine bay. And let's see, what else have we got going on? Started stripping these so I can paint them and get them reinstalled. Got new ball joints put in yesterday when I got the bearings knocked out for that. And that's pretty much where we are. Saab motor's still hanging out, haven't done anything with it yet. Piles of parts everywhere, and that's kind of what you expect. Making progress. Another update hopefully tomorrow, or soon anyway. Take it easy.